Did you know the breakfast you eat every single morning could actually be sabotaging your sexual performance? Most men over 60 don't realize it. But what you put on your plate first thing in the morning can affect your circulation, your energy, and even your libido. The result? Fatigue, frustration, and that sinking feeling that your body just isn't responding like it used to. And it gets worse. A poor breakfast can even impact your heart health and memory, making your whole day feel sluggish and stressful. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. I'm Dr. Lauren Hart, a geriatric specialist. I've spent years helping men just like you live longer, stronger, and with real energy so you can enjoy every moment of life. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your breakfast into a true fuel for circulation and sexual performance. Yes, your mornings can be the secret to more energy, more confidence, and yes, better performance in the bedroom. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn can completely change how your days and your intimate life start. Over the years, I've met countless men over 60 who would say things like, "Doctor, Hart, during intimacy, my body just doesn't respond anymore." Or, "I feel tired all the time. I have no energy for anything." When I ask about their morning routine, a pattern quickly emerges. Almost everyone is doing the same thing: coffee, white bread, maybe a forgotten fruit. And that's it. And that is exactly where the problem starts. Breakfast isn't just a meal. It's the first opportunity of the day to fuel your body and mind, stimulate blood flow, and prepare for physical and sexual performance. Imagine this. You wake up, you start your day, and you already feel strong, focused, and ready. Your body is getting exactly what it needs to boost blood flow, balance hormones, and sharpen your mind. It's simple, it works, and it's easier than most men think. 1. High-quality proteins. First, we need high-quality protein. Protein gives your body amino acids that stimulate nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is what opens your blood vessels, increasing blood flow. Yes, even to your intimate organs. Patient story. Marcos, 62, had trouble with erections. His breakfast? Coffee and white bread? That's it. After switching to organic eggs, cottage cheese, and berries, he noticed more energy, better focus, and improved sexual performance in just 2 weeks. Tip: always pair protein with healthy fats, like avocado or nuts. This helps absorb nutrients and keeps you full and energized longer. 2. Antioxidants. Next, we need antioxidants. They reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and yes, they can improve sexual performance. Include berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, flavonoid powerhouses. Pure cocoa boosts nitric oxide and blood flow. Patient story. Jose, 65, was tired all the time and libido was low. Breakfast? Bread and butter. That's it. After adding Greek yogurt, berries, and cocoa, he reported more energy, better focus, and renewed confidence in the bedroom. Tip: mix berries into yogurt or a smoothie. Delicious and extremely effective. 3. Smart carbs. Not all carbs are bad. The right carbs give long-lasting energy. Avoid spikes in blood sugar. They kill energy and stamina. Good options. Oats. Slow digesting, fiber-rich, keeps energy steady. Quinoa. Low glycemic and a complete protein source. Low glycemic fruits, apples, pears, kiwi. Combine smart carbs with protein, and you've got a breakfast that keeps your mind sharp and your body energized all morning. 4. Micronutrients and hydration. Beyond protein, antioxidants, and carbs men over 60 need. Magnesium improves circulation and muscle function. Zinc, essential for testosterone and sexual health. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels and helps absorb iron. Quick tip: a smoothie with Greek yogurt, berries, oats, and pumpkin seeds covers most of these nutrients. Hydration is also key. Many men wake up mildly dehydrated. This lowers blood volume and circulation. Start your morning with a glass of water or green tea with lemon to boost vascular health and antioxidants. According to the International Society for Men's Health, men who eat a balanced breakfast, including protein, antioxidants, and smart carbs, can increase blood flow to sexual organs by up to 30%. Dr. Henrique Silva, cardiologist, says breakfast is the ideal time to optimize circulation and prepare your body for the day. The right nutrients act like premium fuel. Nutritionists specializing in longevity agree a strong breakfast impacts energy, mood, and vitality, especially for men over 60 who want to maintain performance. 5. The secret food. Now here's something few people know. There's a secret, inexpensive, easy-to-find food that, when added to breakfast, can boost circulation almost instantly. More energy, more stamina, better sexual performance. It's eggs paired with pumpkin seeds. Simple, but powerful. This combo gives you amino acids for nitric oxide production, zinc to naturally support testosterone, magnesium to relax blood vessels. Patient story: Ricardo, 68, had low libido and fatigue. 2 weeks of eggs plus pumpkin seeds. And he reported higher energy, renewed confidence, and better intimacy. Add berries and oats, and you've got a complete breakfast in under 5 minutes. 6. Quick breakfast recipe. Here's one that works in under 5 minutes. 2 boiled eggs, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup berries, 2 tablespoons oats, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 glass of water or green tea with lemon. Mix yogurt, berries, oats, cocoa. Place eggs and seeds on the side. Done. Quick, simple, powerful. 7. More patient stories and transformations. Let's continue with real-life examples, because these stories show exactly how small changes can make a massive difference. Patient story: Frank, 70, was exhausted every morning. He told me, "Doctor, Hart, I feel like I'm just going through the motions, and intimacy is impossible." His breakfast? Sugary cereals and toast. After switching to a breakfast of boiled eggs, pumpkin seeds, Greek yogurt with berries, and oats, he noticed in just a week higher morning energy, better focus, increased stamina, improved sexual performance. Patient story: Leonard, 66, complained about memory lapses and low libido. His breakfast? He often skipped it entirely. After implementing a nutrient-rich breakfast with eggs, antioxidant berries, and magnesium-packed seeds, he experienced sharper memory, sustained energy, renewed confidence during intimate moments. These examples prove one thing clearly: breakfast isn't just a meal. It's the foundation for vitality, sexual health, and overall quality of life. 8. Why most men over 60 struggle with morning nutrition. Here's the truth. Most men over 60 make the same mistakes every day: relying on coffee alone, eating processed carbs like white bread or sugary cereals, skipping protein completely. These habits lower blood flow, decrease testosterone, and increase fatigue, which directly impacts performance, mood, and energy. Tip: treat breakfast as your first dose of medicine for your body. Every nutrient you provide sets the tone for the day: energy, circulation, libido, and focus. 9. Superfoods that supercharge circulation beyond eggs, pumpkin seeds, oats, and berries. There are other superfoods that can enhance results even more. Spinach or kale, high in nitrates, naturally boosting nitric oxide. Avocado, healthy fats, support hormone production. Walnuts or almonds, magnesium and fatty acids for vascular health. Quick tip: blend a handful of spinach and half an avocado into your morning smoothie with Greek yogurt and berries. You now have a supercharged breakfast that supports circulation, testosterone, and energy at the same time. 10. Timing matters. Even the right foods aren't enough if timing is off. Eat breakfast within the first hour of waking to kickstart metabolism. Avoid heavy late-night meals that reduce morning energy. Consistency is crucial. Your body responds better to regular nutrient timing. Patient story: George, 67, was eating the right foods but skipping breakfast or eating inconsistently. Result: fatigue and lower stamina. After creating a consistent morning routine with hydration, protein, antioxidants, and smart carbs, George reported sustained energy, improved sexual performance, enhanced confidence. 11. Expert insights: breakfast and sexual health. Dr. Henrique Silva, cardiologist. Blood flow is key for sexual health. Breakfast that supports nitric oxide, vascular health, and hormone balance can dramatically improve morning performance. Nutritionist Maria Lopez. Many men underestimate how much the first meal affects energy, circulation, and mental clarity. A targeted breakfast is like a natural performance booster. Scientific studies confirm protein, antioxidants, and smart carbs together increase nitric oxide and testosterone activity, both essential for vitality. 12. Breakfast, variations, and advanced options. For variety or limited time, try these options. Option 1, quick smoothie, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup berries, 2 tablespoons oats, 1 teaspoon cocoa, handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. Blend for 1 minute. Add 1 boiled egg on the side, done in 3 to 4 minutes. Option 2, savory plate. 2 boiled or poached eggs, 1/4 avocado sliced, small handful of walnuts, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa or oats, handful of berries. Option 3, on-the-go jar, Greek yogurt base. Layer oats, berries, pumpkin seeds. Add boiled egg and avocado slices when ready to eat. Tip: rotate ingredients weekly to prevent boredom and get a wide range of nutrients. 13. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the right foods, mistakes happen. 1. Skipping protein, low energy, poor blood flow. 2. Sugary cereals, blood sugar spikes, lower testosterone. 3. Not hydrating, reduced blood volume and circulation. 4. Irregular meals, disrupts hormone balance. Follow these rules, and your breakfast becomes a powerful tool for vitality and performance. 14. Curiosity. Hook. Unlock your morning potential. Here's a secret most men over 60 miss. Your blood vessels and energy levels peak in the morning when fueled properly. A nutrient-rich breakfast resets your circulation and sexual performance. Patient story. Tom, 69, struggled for years with fatigue and erectile difficulties. After adding eggs, pumpkin seeds, and antioxidant-rich berries to his breakfast, he noticed morning erections returned, more endurance during daily activities, greater confidence and vitality. Small, consistent changes create immediate and noticeable results. 15. Final thoughts and call to action. To summarize, your ideal breakfast for men over 60 should include high-quality proteins, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, antioxidants, berries, cocoa, leafy greens, smart carbs, oats, quinoa, low glycemic fruits, healthy fats and micronutrients, avocado, pumpkin seeds, nuts, hydration, water or green tea with lemon. Implement these habits, and you're setting your body up for vitality, optimal circulation, and sexual performance all before lunch. Remember, it's not one miracle food. It's the combination of the right nutrients, consistently every morning. Start today. Notice the difference in energy, focus, and intimacy. Your mornings and your life can transform, and it starts with what you put on your plate first thing in the morning. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and share it with someone you care about. I have a question for you. If you could improve one thing about your mornings tomorrow, what would it be? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading them. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss tips that can boost your health, energy, and vitality. I'm Dr. Lauren Hart, your guide to living longer, stronger, and more confident every single day. See you in the next video. Stay energized, take care of your body, and share these tips with those you love.